Long-sightedness, inability to see near object clearly. Near object appear blurry because the image is focused behind the retina. This defect is caused by the eye lens being too thin or the eyeball being too short. How it is corrected? Long-sightedness can be corrected using convex lens. Defect of sight, astigmatism, seeing part of an object clearer than the rest of the object. This defect is caused by the uneven curvature of the cornea or eye lens. Astigmatism can be corrected using cylindrical lenses. Cylindrical lens. Limitation of hearing. Limitation of hearing are limitations in the ability of the ear to hear sound. We can only hear sound of frequencies between the range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. The ears are unable to detect sound which lie outside this frequency range. The frequency range of hearing of every individual is different. When a person gets older, the frequency range of his hearing gets narrower as his eardrum becomes less elastic. Examples of devices invented and used to overcome the limitation of hearing are shown in photograph 1.15. Today in history, the first stethoscope made of wood was invented by Reine Laennec at Necker Infant Malades Hospital, Paris in 1816. This one is a stethoscope, helps to listen to the heartbeat. This is a loudspeaker, amplifies sound so that it can be heard from far away. Defect of hearing and ways to correct them. Defect of hearing occur when the sense of hearing of a person does not function well. Defects of hearing are normally caused by damage to the ear due to infection by microorganisms, injury, aging process, or continuous exposure to loud sound. Damage to the outer ear and middle ear can be corrected easily. For example, the clearing of foreign objects in the ear canal, puncture eardrum, and damaged ossicle can also be corrected using medicine or surgery. Damage to the inner ear is more difficult to correct. A damaged cochlea can be corrected using a cochlear implant, but a damaged auditory nerve cannot be corrected using medicine or surgery. Photograph 1.16 shows how innovation and technology are applied to invent smaller and more sophisticated hearing aids. The five senses, a gift. The five senses is a gift from God that we should appreciate. However, unhealthy lifestyle and high-risk career can affect the sensitivity of the sensory organ. Based on photograph 1.17 and 1.18, name the sensory organ whereby the sensitivity is affected in each situation. Describe how each situation can affect the sensitivity of the sensory organ. What are the devices or safety measures taken to maintain the safety and health of the sensory organ in each situation? Eye. This one skin. This one ear. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.